2. Hey, welcome to my show on how to cook. Today, we're going to be making a bacon, egg, and cheese wrap. Now let's get to the ingredients. To make an effective bacon, egg, and cheese wrap, you gotta have the 3 ingredients. So in order to make this masterpiece, you gotta have the bacon, the cheese, it can be any cheese, I like the Mexican cheese, shredded, and the egg. Now let's get right to it. Alright, glad you're right here, perfect place. So first you wanna do, forgetting one of the most important stuff, follow me. The thing that I was forgetting is the wrap. The tortilla wrap. Alright, that's the tortilla right there. Alright, so first, what you want to do is get a bowl. Any kind of bowl, yellow bowl, green bowl, I have both. Get the bowl, get your egg, crack it, one hand, okay. And then just gotta mix it. Put this in the trash. Make sure you wash your hands. Coronavirus. No, I was kidding. Wash your hands. See the soap? Yeah, while you guys wash your hands like this, but you guys forget the thumbs. You gotta wash your thumbs too. You got a lot of stuff with your thumbs. Like this. Yeah. In between. That's how you wash your hands before you prepare some good food. Why are you still here? Hey, cameraman, you're supposed to cut until I'm done washing my hands, you know? Do your job.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Alright, so after you're done washing your hands, you should get a pair of chopsticks or ohashi. Get your egg in here. Try to mix it until it looks a little something like this. Alright, so once your eggs look like what I've just shown you, you gotta add the cheese to the eggs. Now, I know this might be weird, but trust me, it tastes really good. So you just add a little bit of cheese like so. After you add the cheese, you gotta mix it, the egg and the cheese, and it should feel a little kind of like squishy. I don't know. It should look like this. Hold up. Alright. After you add that cheese, you're done with the cheese. Get the cheese. Let's put it back in the fridge. Alright, so after you put your cheese back in the refrigerator, it's time for the tortilla. No, it's really easy. All you have to do, come down with me. Alright, so you see this right here? This is the stove. All you have to do, press it, and then it's gonna turn on. You put it to, I'll say medium heat so it doesn't burn out. So what you're gonna do is come over here with me. This pan, it's a little wet, I gotta wipe it. So put it on the stove and then put the tortilla on the stove. Alright, gotta wipe it. Alright, welcome to the stove station. Got your pan, got your stove, put the towel back. Get this tortilla. You ain't gotta put anything on the stove. No butter, no oil, no nothing. Just put that on there. And then, you can touch it, spin it around. After say 30 seconds, you gotta flip it so it can be perfectly even on both sides. All right. So if you notice, you might get a little, the tortilla might get bubbly. There might be air inside, so that might be a time to flip it. Right now, Looks pretty good to me. So I'm gonna put it back for a little bit, and I gotta grab a plate to put this tortilla on. Yes, sir. Flip it over. Yes, sir. This is gonna be the inside. Okay, so after putting your tortilla on the plate, the next thing you wanna do is move your eggs to the tortilla back, and then get started on the bacon, baby. People want to be all fancy dancy and, you know, cut the bacon with a knife. Me, I just take it, I just rip it to pieces. It doesn't matter. But now, you gotta get the oil, put it in the pan that you use your tortilla with. Be smart, less dishes, happy life. Put the oil in the pan. Just, you don't need a lot, just a little bit. And then turn that stove on again. Just wait for the pan to heat up a little bit. Ooh. Oh my goodness. We'll be good. So I don't want you guys getting popped, so I'll be back with the finished bacon. See you later. Oh my goodness. So the bacon basically done. Oh, don't get popped. Don't get popped. Now it's time to add the egg with the bacon. See that? All right, I'm gonna put y'all back. All right, now all you need to do is take a bowl and just dip it in there. Yes, sir. All right, I'll be done with your bowl. Throw it in the dish. The sink, not the dish. And then all I have to do, is just mix it up. All right, now that we're at the station, you gotta turn the stove off. Don't forget that. Get your tortilla. And you gotta fold it a little bit. You get that crunch break. Hold up.
Incredible.
Okay, you fold it a little bit and then just get the greatness in here. You just put that baby on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Sounds good. Put y'all down here. Alright. You see the greatness in my hands. You see the greatness. You see the eggs. Whew. Now you just gotta fold it like this. I don't need this anymore. Put that in the sink. What is this? Tortilla. Good. So you gotta fold it. Put it back down. You gotta get any kind of condiments you want. For me, I'm gonna use mayonnaise and sriracha for mine. You should choose anything for you. All right. So we're back. Got the safe station. And look at this. I already showed y'all, but greatness is right here. So first, we're gonna put the mayonnaise. Put it on the egg. Oh! Teddy, you heard that? And then, oh! Goodness. You gotta put the spicy sriracha. I like to put like just one line. Thin line. Sriracha. And put these back. Basically done with your tortilla, man. Alright. So it's finally almost time to taste this delicious tortilla. Oh my goodness. First you gotta fold. Oh wait. Forgot my drink. I'll be back. Hold up. Alright. A little meat to your side, don't hurt anybody. Alright. Another tortilla. Say my grace first. Alright. Taste test. I'm gonna be rating this out of 5 tortillas. see the inside. I see you inside. All right, 3, 2, 1. That crunchy texture with the bacon and the tortilla. You got the soft and chewy texture of the egg. And you got the soothing texture with the mayonnaise and the sriracha. The tortilla right here, I'm gonna rate it 5 tortillas out of 5. Get my drink. Ooh!
We worked so hard.
I'm gonna have this drink with this tortilla. Alright. That was the end of the how-to tutorial. It's how to make a bacon, egg, cheese tortilla. No, it's pretty good. If you want to see another one, just let me know and I'll come back with you. Peace. These things I really thought I made a good picture. Just trash. Whoa! Whoa! Why are you still here? Why are you still here? I thought I told you to like. Yeah, I thought you were gonna go. Like that was the end of the show. You heard what I said? You heard. You heard what? Oh! Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll tell you the truth. That thing is fire right there. I'll see y'all tomorrow. See ya.